Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Maths class. Remove your Discovering Maths page number 25. Remove page number 25 of Discovering Maths. As in the previous session, we have seen counting in twos and counting in threes. Now we are going to learn counting in fives. Okay, so this is a number line. On the number line 1 to 21 numbers are there. So counting in 5 means you have to skip 4 numbers. जैसा हमने 3s के काउंटिंग में 2 स्किप किया और 2 की काउंटिंग में 1 स्किप किया, here in counting in 5s we have to skip the 4 numbers. For example, you can see here from 1 when you are going to start 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to skip the 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is known as counting in fives. And the next, as we have seen in the previous, that we have to add to the previous number. जितने की हम काउंटिंग करेंगे, काउंटिंग इन 5 है, इसके लिए हम प्रीवियस नंबर में 5 ऐड करेंगे. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स सी हियर 1, 6, 11 and what will be the next. So what we are going to do, we are going to add 5 to this 11. For example, here why we are adding this 5 in this previous 11? Because we are doing counting in fives. जैसा हमने in previous session we have learned counting in twos and counting in threes. So we have added 2 and 3 to the previous number. Here we are learning counting in 5. That's why we have added here 5. So the answer is 16. Simply you can skip the 4 numbers and the next number will be your counting in 5. Or you can add 5 to the previous number and do. Okay, so let's start. Let's try to solve practice zone 3. Complete the pattern. See 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Skipping 4 numbers, other will be 10. Then 15. After 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So the next number will be 20. Then 25. After 25, skip 4 numbers. 26, 27, 28, 29. The next number will be 30. Now we are going to solve by adding 5 to the previous number. See here 20. In 20, if we add 5, so you will get the answer 25. For this 25, if you add 5 numbers, you will get the 30. When you are going to add 5 to this previous number, you will get the next counting in 5, that is 35. Then again when you are going to add 5, you will get the 40, and when you are going to add 5, you will get the 45. So simply you have to add the 5 to the previous number, you will get the next number, or you can skip the 4 numbers and you can write the next number. So here 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. By skipping 4 numbers comes 7, then 76. After 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. The number will come 81. After 81, add 5. 82, 83, 84, 85 and 86. After 86, skip 4 numbers. 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. Okay. I have shown you the two methods. You can skip 4 numbers and the next number will be your counting in fives, or you can simply add 5 to the previous number. Hope you have understood. So turn the page. On page number 26, here counting in tens. Simply जैसा हमने 2, 3 and 5 किया, same like that only counting in tens. When you do the second method counting in 10, so simply you have to add 10 to the previous number. Add 10 to the previous number, you will get the next number. And here also by skipping 9 numbers. Okay, 0 to 9, 1 से 9 तक नंबर स्किप किए, you will get the 10. 11 से 19 तक किया, you will get the 20. Then 21 to 29, then 30. Okay, here in between skipping 9 numbers. Counting in tens means adding 10 to the previous number. Here 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. In the following series, we add 10 to the previous number to find the next two numbers. 1, 11, 21. 21 plus 10, 31. 31 plus 10, 41. So the series will be 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. Come on, let's see. Practice zone 4. Write the next two numbers by counting in tens. 2. Add 10 to this 2. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 10, 22. Add this to 13. 13 plus 10, 23. 23 plus 10, 33. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 67 plus 10, 77, and 77 plus 10, 88. Now on page number 27, here do and documents is there. Start any one box of the starting line. Here box is given. Here already written here start and end. Jump from one box to another, either row wise or column wise, till you reach the end. Do not jump diagonally, reach to the end line. Read all the numbers on which you have jumped. So you have to start from here. Okay. Write starting number. कहाँ से start किया आपने? आप row wise और column wise कैसे भी जा सकते हो. Starting number कौन सा था आपका? And the ending number. Numbers in between. End और स्टार्टिंग और एंड के बीच के नंबर्स यू हैव टू राइट हियर. आइडेंटिफाई द पैटर्न. फिर आपको पैटर्न फाइंड करना है. यू हैव टू राइट इन द पैटर्न. पैटर्न मीन्स व्हाट? इट विल बी काउंटिंग और बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग और इन सीरीज 10, 5, counting in tens, counting in twos, counting in threes, or counting in five. So you have to write in the pattern. Okay, hope you have understood. Now remove your observation book. Page number 19. Remove your observation book, page number 19. Homework is on page number 19. Question number 4. Question number 5. Question number 4, 5 on page number 19. Question number 6 and 7 on page number 20. Join the dots by counting in fives and complete the picture. You have to join the dots in the 5 series. For example, here 5. So after 5 you are going to 10, 15, 20, 25 like this. So you have to join the dots by counting in fives and complete this picture. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, then 30, 35, 40, 45 and so on. Okay, this is, you have to counting in fives and then join the dots and complete the picture and color it nicely. So this is also your homework. Okay, now turn the page. On page number 24, MCQ questions are there. Which number comes next in the following pattern? Here patterns are given: 10, 12, 14, 16. So what will be the next number? So first you have to see the numbers. 10, कितने नंबर्स स्किप करने के बाद ये नंबर 12 आ रहा है? 10 के बाद आता है 11, देन 12. तो कितना नंबर स्किप हुआ? 1 नंबर. मीन्स ये क्या है? काउंटिंग इन टूज है. सो 10, 12, 14, 16. आफ्टर 16 द नंबर विल कम, that is 18. So you have to tick here on 18. Now the second one, which number comes next in the following pattern? Same as we have done the first one. First see the numbers carefully and count how after skipping how many numbers the next number comes. Here 65, 67, 68, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72 and 73. Same, this is also counting in twos. So the right answer is 73. Now see the next one. The missing numbers in the following are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Means this is the counting in tens. So what is the series? 10, 30, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So 30, 50 and 60. So the right answer is A1. Now see the next one. Which of the following set of the numbers shows skip counting in threes? थ्रीज की काउंटिंग इन थ्रीज कौन सा है? 82, 83, 84, 80, आफ्टर 84, 85. नो, दिस इज द इन टूज. हमको थ्रीज चाहिए. सो 51, 52, 53. नो. 63, 64, 65 and 66. 67, 68, then 69. So the right answer is C1. Now see fifth one. Choose the correct set of numbers if you count in fives. जैसा हमने यहाँ 3s का किया, सेम हियर इन 5s. So 75, 80 and 85 is the correct answer when you are counting in 5s. Okay. Now see on page number 25, here application is there. To apply the concept of counting in 2s and 10s, identify the body parts which are 2 in number. Also identify body part which are 10 in number. So it's very simple. Name 4 body parts which are 2 in numbers. आपको 4 body parts लिखना है जो कि 2 in numbers है. Okay. So you know very well your eyes are 2, your ears are 2, your lips are 2, your hand and your legs. So you can write any 4. Then name 2 body parts which are 10 in numbers. आपके बॉडी पार्ट्स के 2 ऐसे नेम लिखना है जिसमें जो कि वो नंबर्स में 10 हो. ओके. Then turn the page. Draw any one body part which is 2 in number. आपको आप कोई भी बॉडी पार्ट ड्रॉ कर सकते हो जो 2 हो, जैसा आईज, ईयर्स. ओके, you can draw it. Now I already knew my body part which are 10 in number. आपको ऑलरेडी पता है कि आपके बॉडी पार्ट्स कौन से 10 हैं नंबर्स में. यस और नो. हाउ मैनी बॉडी पार्ट्स आर 2 इन नंबर्स. दो बॉडी पार्ट्स कौन कौन से हैं आपके, कितने नंबर्स में है, दैट यू हैव टू राइट. हाउ मैनी बॉडी पार्ट्स आर 10 इन नंबर्स, दैट यू हैव टू राइट. हाउ डिड यू फील. आपको ये एप्लीकेशन करके कैसा लगा. यू हैड फन. You learned counting in 2s and 10s. I would love to do more of these applications. I completed the application in dash days. You have to write that. Now see on page number 27, to develop creative thinking. Creative thinking. Create a maze game using any one or two of the following pattern of counting. आपको maze draw करना है. आप 2s में, 3s में, 5s में, 10s में काय पे भी कैसे भी ड्रॉ करते हो. यू मे क्रिएट एंड यूज एनी अदर पैटर्न इन नंबर. आपको यहाँ ड्रॉ करना है. हाउ यू कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ ऑन पेज नंबर ऑलरेडी दिस मेज इज गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 22 एंड 23. ये जैसा काउंटिंग इन 2s का है, जैसा ये काउंटिंग इन 3s का है, आप 5 का 10 का कोई भी एक ऐसा मेज ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. एंड you can take the help of this and draw on page number 27 or on page number 28. So hope you have understood, and now we have completed our chapter number 2. Hope you have understood. So complete your homework with the help of your parents without any mistake. Thank you.